Hi, I'm Cody.
And I'm Emeline, and together we own Armitage Interiors.
One of the biggest fears homeowners have when remodeling a kitchen or bathroom is budget. Everyone's heard the horror stories. A project that starts at one number ends up significantly higher. At Armitage Interiors, we take that concern seriously, and we've built our process to keep your budget clear and under control.
The first way that we do this is with our project management software, Materio. From the beginning, you can see your project costs in one place. As we move through the design, your selections and specifications update in real time. That means you always know where the budget stands and how design decisions affect the bottom line.
Here's how the process works. We start with a rough estimate so you have a realistic range before committing to design work. Once you're comfortable, we move into a design agreement. That's where we measure, plan layouts, and begin making selections together. Every option's tracked in Materio, our project management software, so costs stay transparent as the design evolves.
After that, we hold design development meetings to review the layouts, finishes, and product choices. By the time we present the construction contract, every detail from scope to materials to product finishes has been clearly defined and agreed upon.
Because we handle all this before construction starts, you go into the build phase with clarity. Surprises and scope creep are minimized, and the only change orders are for things you choose to add or existing conditions that we couldn't have seen. That structure is what keeps your kitchen or bath remodel on track, both in budget and in timeline.
Our clients appreciate that by the time we begin work on site, they know exactly what to expect. No vague promises, no guessing games, just a clear plan to get you your dream space.
There's no way around it that remodeling is stressful. It's a major disruption to your life.
We do our best to make it as enjoyable as possible by providing clear and well-defined scope and removing any uncertainty before the demo starts.